On today's episode, a super quick and super easy recipe that gets done in less than 15 minutes. Lentil and chickpeas stew, Indian style. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. I will be using my pressure cooker today as this is a super quick recipe. But you can follow this same recipe without a pressure cooker. In that case, the cooking time of course will be more. Now one by one just add the ingredients. Canned cooked chickpeas, red lentils that I have washed well, chopped onions, potatoes, carrots. You can even use butternut squash or sweet potatoes. Then grated ginger goes in, chopped green chilies. Next comes the spices. Curry powder, turmeric powder, salt, and finally a dried bay leaf followed by a tablespoon of oil. Add 3 cups of hot water, give a stir, and that is all you need to do. Then pressure cook it for 5 minutes. Once pressure cooking is done, allow the pressure to be released naturally for 5 more minutes, and then following the method of whatever brand of pressure cooker you are using, do a quick steam release and open your cooker. Discard the bay leaf as its job is done. Give a stir to mix everything. And then the gorgeous green beauties dive in. I am using baby spinach, but you can use any greens according to your preference. If you are using spinach with larger leaves, then chop them up finely and bring them up to just a boil. I didn't need to do that as this residual heat is enough to cook baby spinach, and I do not want them to turn soggy and lose their beautiful color. Okay, now comes the fun part. Heat a small pan over medium-low heat. Oil. Do not let the oil turn too hot. You do not want the oil to be smoking hot. When it is just warm, add garlic. Then add cumin seeds. Allow the seeds to get little toasted and the garlic to turn golden brown. As soon as you see the garlic changing color, add paprika. You can even use red chili powder if you want that heat. Then I added garam masala powder. Switch off the heat immediately after adding these spice powders, or else they will burn and give a bitter taste to the dish. Then pour this gorgeousness over the stew and let it spread out all its magic. Have this with rice, roti, or a toasted bread. In less than 15 minutes, dinner is served that is packed with flavor and so satisfying. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback. This is Bumbi and thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.